Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make objects overlap like this. So this was originally two elements, high heels and rings that overlapped. And then I made it so that the heel was going through the ring. And I will show you how to make that in a book cover. Right, so the book is called High Heeled Hustle. These book titles I got from ChatGPT. I asked them to give me some books that sounded like chick lit book titles, and it came up with quite a lot. And I chose 25 and I made covers for them. Okay, so High Heel Hustle. And let's change the font to Barbara semi-condensed because I just wanted them to be fairly dramatic. Why is this a funny size? Have I added a space before it by mistake? No, I haven't. Oh well. Okay, and then seeing as it's a high heel hustle, which I obviously cannot write, seeing as it's a high heel hustle, we need some high heels. So I did a bit of searching and I found this pair that I liked. So let's make that a big size and put it about there. And then I was going to thread some gold rings through. Now, if we zoom in, you can see that the ring is sitting on top of the shoe, and it doesn't. I want to make it look like the heel is going in through the ring. So what we do is we position it in roughly the right place, and then we take the shoe and we duplicate it. So control, you just hit duplicate. We take the shoe and we duplicate it, and then we move it so that it's right on top of your old image that you had there. So now there's two images of the shoe, one on top of each other. And then we hit crop. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can crop it properly. And then we crop one of the shoe images so that all you have inside it is the bit of the shoe that's going to go inside the rings. There we go, that should do it. Okay. Right, and then we zoom in again. And as you can see, now you have the shoe going through the rings. Now it looks a bit weird because we have to sort out the size a little bit of the rings so that they look the right sort of size. Oh. And we need to put some shadows underneath. So there's a variety of shadows that you can use. I tend to use just the really boring one. So that's the shadow of the shoe. Copy that and paste that again so that we get both the heels covered. Let me position those to the back. Okay, and then you probably need another slightly more concentrated shadow underneath the ring. So let's make it smaller. Oops. Undo. And we'll send it backward a little bit. There we go. Don't know, I'm not so sure about that. Maybe if we stretch this back out a bit. Oopsie. Crop it. There we go, so that we've got the heel still. And cut this back down to here. Oh, that's better. I like that much better. There we go. And we probably need to rest this on the ground so that it doesn't look like it's floating quite so much. There. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Okay, zoom back out. And then we can change the background. I think I chose a sort of deep orange because of the orange here. And then I thought what would be nice would be to have some texture. So I looked up velvet and I got this stuff here, which is a sort of strangely velvety, suede-y sheen thing. And let's flip that. Flip horizontal, there we go, so that the darker sides are over there. And it looks like the light is coming from this direction. And then we position it backwards. And turn the transparency down so that it's just a hint of texture, but not a lot, nothing too obvious. Okay, and I think I had these in white, didn't I? Because they looked nice in white. No, white. And let's make them a bit bigger. There we go. That's quite a dramatic and fun rom-com cover if you're writing a heist or something. I think that's an okay font for author name. One of the things you could do if you wanted, if your author name was looking a little bit scrunched up, is you could go to here, which is spacing, and space out the letters a little bit. There we go. That looks better. There. It's quite a nice cover. You could use that for your high heel hustle rom-com. All of the 25 covers that I've made are going to be on sale in Etsy. So just you could buy them as pre-made covers and then use them for your books. Change the title, change your author name, and use them. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please do share, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons because they really make a difference to me. If there's anything you particularly want me to cover as to using Canva for authors, please pop a note in the comments and I will respond and do a video for you if I know how to do it. Okay, thank you.